All right, let's do this, I guess. My name's System Glitch. This is Sova House Games. We're making games. Me and my buddy Cosmic Dino are here, just having fun. I have no idea how it is Unreal. Gonna be honest. Um, yeah, this is gonna be a fun learning experience. Cosmic's not here. He's gotta, work or something because he's gotta keep the lights on. Ridiculous, I know. Uh, Anyways, we're just making games, trying to have fun. Um, really, at the moment, we're this is our only project that's actually in production of some sort. Everything else is kind of just being planned. We're like working on stories or like would this game, but that's more his territory than mine. Mine's going to be more the what you see on screen, the actual game. Uh, this one we don't have an official name for, so we're just calling it Trauma Team for now. Whether that means you, the player, will get trauma, or because the thing, we'll work that out in the details. That's gonna be cosmic stuff, not me. Okay, maybe a little bit of me, but like we'll cross that bridge. It's gonna be a first person shooter kind of game where much like some games like Cyberpunk, this one you're playing as the trauma team. From the opening mission of Cyberpunk, you go get that one girl in the bathtub. This is you playing as the team that goes in to pick her up. That's the idea. So might play similar to, I guess, Hitman in some areas, because you got the map, you got to get in, got to get out. We plan on releasing this on PC through Steam, maybe Itch, maybe some of the other ones like that. PlayStation eventually, if possible. I would like to get it up there. Maybe the Nintendo Switch 2 or the Attach. I'm making this before anything's announced, so I'm speculating on the name. But we shall see. Basically, I'm going to try to get this on anything I can. It's not Xbox. They're doing some stuff, and I want to see how that plays out. That one's going to be a wait and see. Art style, I'm just reading off a design document. I'm going to be honest with this. Art style is going to be semi-realistic. Oh, that's right. I forgot this happened. This is the forbidden spaghetti that I don't understand yet. Yeah, I did take a gander at this. It was kind of interesting. Yeah, we don't touch the forbidden spaghetti. Um, the art style is going to be semi-realistic, futuristic, but I want to keep some elements that are not too real. So imagine Cyberpunk, but if they had the budget of Dollar Tree. Okay, maybe not that bad, but like you get the idea. Next one is target audience. I have no idea. I guess people who like sci-fi, and that's something I'll figure out as I go. Hopefully it works out. Game summary. Yeah, Cosmic can figure that out. Core gameplay loops. So, the current plan as the moment is you, the player, get in, find the patient, stabilize the patient, and get out. You'll have different classes, different guns, all that fun stuff. And each map will be a little different to unique. Even if you play mission A2, for example, the exact layout might be different. The exact items might be different. So you say you need to get into this room that has an orange key card. Well, you could find the orange key card on a person, on an enemy, or just laying around, making it that little different. Not enough that it should be crazy. Some of the things that also might change is mission A1 will be a simple, there's an accident, get the person, get them out. A2 might be a hostage situation, words, where you gotta protect the patient. But that one you might need to sneak more. So there's going to be little puzzle elements like that. The world setting is going to be a sci-fi dystopia world. We don't have a name for the city. The missions and stuff might be like a science lab, a manor, a golf course. Don't know yet. Story and narrative, Cosmic can figure that out. Unique selling points. I'll get back to you on that one. Controls, it's going to be a shooter, WAS to move, mouse to look. Player skills. I'll have to figure that out later of how the player unlocks more skills and everything. Challenge, difficulty, scoring, and reward. I guess I can kind of just combine them. You, the player, will be gauged based off how well you performed. Much like a cyberpunk dystopia world, you know. You did bad, gonna get docked. So, for example, you make it to the patient, you get him out, everything's good and dandy. Nobody's hurt, nothing unnecessary happened. All is good. If the patient dies, you and the team, it's not going to be multiplayer. It's going to be single player. But it's, and I quote, team, will have a like reduced trust system. So you might get like not as good missions for a bit. We'll see how that works out. That one might not stay. We'll see. Art already did that. Fairly realistic, but not hyper. Enemies, we'll cross that when we get there. Environment design, we'll also cross that when we get there. User interface. I did have an idea on that I think would be kind of cool. At least for ammo and a couple small things. You're holding the gun, and on your more outwardly stretched hand, whether you're going to be right or left-handed, will be a device with a screen, similar to a Pip-Boy. And that will display like health ammo. Maybe just ammo. Or grenades, stuff like that. Sound effects and music, I got nothing. Gun goes bang, grenades go boom. Characters and world building. A lot of that is cosmic. Technical. We're using Unreal Engine. That's the one we're using. That's what you see on screen. Haven't had too many problems with it from my stuff. Platform requirements, we have no idea yet. Performance optimizations, not a clue. Layout, design, yeah, everything else. We'll have to talk it out later with Microsoft Paint. That is what I wrote. Good notes past me. puzzle challenges, no idea. Level progression, we already discussed that. Monetization strategy, it's not going to be live ads or live service. It's just going to be, here's the game. We might make a DLC. Might. Marketing approach. It thinks I can do marketing. That is what I wrote. Community and social features, no idea. Milestones, yeah, no. Getting the game running, key one. Getting it running well, secondary. Getting the gun to shoot, third. So yeah, so basically like team roles. I'm just running down the list. Uh, I'm gonna be the game dev, so more game kind of stuff is gonna be my responsibility. Cosmic is gonna be more the story dev. That's how I have it listed. And if we do the fusion dance, we get 3 working brain cells to do this. So it's looking good all around. Legal and licensing. I'm not a nerd. Okay, I'm not that kind of nerd. References. Things like Cyberpunk, Ghost in the Shell, Blade Runner. I do kind of like the idea of some elements that we would incorporate, possibly story-wise. That'd be similar to like Full Metal. Oh, that I'm out of bullet points. This really took an hour to write, if not longer. So I thought it would take an hour to read. Yeah, I really got nothing. Oh, we're coming up on the end. Well, we'll see you guys around. Hey, this is editing system. I realized after this, while recording episode 2, nothing worked. So we're redoing this for episode 2. But yeah, fun.